MeghalayaPost.news.
Kalong ka Jingyo mansiya mi kibabun ki hotel ki badan hajawai bar hatura haga baka sorkar Jylla kan seperkat kerpang leng baga subsidi ka banyaw puar hadu nyaw persen na kabenta bakin penbit penbiang ya ki hotel baga Jylla kan sepediang ke National Games arajar arpunyaw kabanlong haga Jylla Meghalaya ya kan nila penpaudo menteri sorkar badai pe ya ketena Sports and Youth Affairs uba wailat miki Shylla habakran skilat pathai kubor mentakas ngi hadian ke Jingi kendu ke governing body ke National Games Secretariat Society ha shillong ula ongru baka sorkar kalalong ka balakre ban pediang ke National Games arajar arpunyo bat ki jing penturai ya ki projek baper kilaya syakmat bat ki don ki baladab bat ki don ru ki bedang penturai ula ong ru haga Jingïalang bala penia do menteri rengba ukon rat ki sangma layak ran sani ya ki jakasa hasilong bakila bit labiang bala lapat baki dangduna ki jakasa hatura bat hajawai ban penbit penbiang bakani ke National Games kan dong kebajom ka sorkar lengba ka tena tourism kan sa scheme lengba ka subsidi ka banyaw puar hadu nyaw persen ya ki hotel hajawai batura kenang bakin la ban penbit penbiang ya ki hotel na kabenta ban pediang ya kini ke National Games syushu ulo ongru kumbalong hadu menta ka sorkar laya syakmat ban penbit penbiang lut ya Baroh ki kam ki bayadei bat kini ke National Games bat kam syam lalap setia ya ki jingirap na ka sorkar kemi bat nakaliang ka sorkar ka angnut ban penlong ya kini ke lempung ka bajom bat baka sorkar ka kemi lenti omtang ba kini ke lempung kan long ka bajom bat ka kemi lenti ru baki samla kini ora nam jom haki Jingïatrei baper.
The decision is just formally today, since it was the first meeting, so no major, because we are just trying to settle in, because there are a lot of things need to be done in order for the society to be able to function. So that was the few agenda we discussed. Recently, just a few weeks back, under the under the chairmanship of our chief minister, where not only for national game, but actually he took the review meeting of all the department. So there we have present the presentation to him, and we are on track. All the construction of all the competition venue is going on, and we have mapped the accommodation in our state, which we feel that Shillong we have the numbers, but we are right at the moment we are having shortage in Tura and in Jowai, which we have also have a plan for that. We already have given the scheme from the tourism department for this boutique hotel, where almost I think 70 to 75% of subsidy will be given from the government, at least because we don't want to create any more infrastructure, because you know that just by if we continue to build infrastructure also, it will be very difficult, will be challenging for us to maintain it after the national game. So that's why we take this opportunity at least to promote tourism at the same time, and we give opportunity to the locals who want to set up these boutique hotels. But we have given them a set of guidelines where they have to incorporate where we can put our athlete or technical person in the coming days. So other than that, just a few months back also the Secretary from the of sports from the union government also came here. He took the review meeting. He visited the site. He also was quite happy. And then a month back also our commissioner secretary along with our officers have visited our union minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviaji, and have also shared the presentation with him. So they also were quite happy with the presentation. So overall, I could say that the preparation is going well.
So if you remember last year when Meghalaya Games were happening, there were a lot of chaos as far as athletes accommodation and all are concerned in polo and all of that. No, they were made to sleep in one room, cram up, blah blah. And many things came out of it. But then, so is the government ensuring that no such hiccups will happen this time around?
During that time also, I think not all, only few incidents were there, and I think quickly it was taken care of, and they have I think the sport department were swift. They have given a swift response, and if you have seen, then after that, I think we were all witness that the last national game in Jowai. I think, I don't know, according to me, and I have tried to check in the media also, I have not seen anyone complain from during the last Meghalaya Games in July. So and even in the, for that matter, the Northeast Olympic Game and other games which were being held, no doubt small issue will be there when you are like organizing this event of this scale. So definitely here and there it will be there, but but this is a prestige occasion for us, especially national game. So it is the whole country will be here. So we are not taking anything for granted. So we are fully prepared, and that's why you have seen that we have not waiting for the sanction from the central government. We are going all out with the state fund for any kind of construction, for any kind of which we need for the national game. So we are going forward, way ahead. So I'm quite sure and I'm quite confident under the kind of support we are getting from the chief minister, from the other department. So I'm confident that we'll be able to run this national game smoothly and make it a memorable one. Definitely, because our what we really desire is not that just to host this game. We also want that our athletes and our players to perform well, and that's why for their encouragement with the government and from the sports department, we have passed the policy of the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment policy, where anybody starting, actually we are trying that even from last year national game also, for those medal winners also will be included, where they will be given the job. So from next year onward, that whoever will bring medal from the national game itself, they will get a government job. So I think it's a huge encouragement for our athletes, our players, and even for the parent to support them. And at the same time, we really want to have a good show. I mean, would see that the performance of Meghalaya also will improve. So that's why you have seen that from the sports department, we have decentralized everything. It's not that like in the past, with due respect, I've seen many associations have to come and beg to the sports department, please give us this, please give us that. But now we have seen from the last year itself that we have released all 39 crores we have sanctioned for the team preparation, where we, no doubt, since we are giving money, so there should be accountability. So we have given some set of guidelines that you have to fulfill. So we have given the money to all the association, where they can buy equipments, they can hire human resource and other things. So we are trying to decentralize these things so they can prepare our athletes. And because of all this initiative, I would say, I think that's why in the recently concluded Khelo India tribal game, the performance of Meghalaya was tremendous. Where the rank last year Meghalaya rank in the Khelo India tribal game was 29, but this year it's a huge jump from 29 to 13th. We finished 13, and we'll continue to work hard, and we'll continue to support the association and the athlete, and I'm quite sure that next year we'll enter top 5, and therefore and hopefully will be on the top. So I think because of all this initiative and all this effort, and I think the result also you could see it. So with all this, I'm quite confident that it's not only will be able to host the national game, but will also will perform well. Because as you all know that plastic to anyway, because there is a ruling of the High Court also that is the single-use plastic is banned, is already there. And no doubt our Honorable Chief Minister also have made it very clear that we want to make this a green national game. So we are we are in the process now. We will be having the awareness program. We will be going and we will be imparting the awareness to different stakeholders, that to make sure that make this Meghalaya game a green Meghalaya game.
One related health issue.
See, because right now, last time also the 108 people have come and met me, because see, now the government, the 108 staff have their own set of concern. They have their own concern, and the government also have their limitations. So that's why, because of that, so we have a panel, one team to do some kind of a study where they will come up that like how we can accommodate them, how we can what look after the concern, and also the government also won't have to give much. So I already share all these things with them, so we are awaiting for that report. But nevertheless, I have committed to them. I have given my word that, because right now, as you all know, my MD of NHM is Ramakrishna Chituri is on election duty in the in South India. So he will be coming after 5. So once he come, then we'll sit along with us. So we'll try to speed up the matter.
MeghalayaPost.news